Congratulations for clicking on this video, because just in a few steps in this video you could become the next crypto millionaire. In this video I'm going to share you the biggest airdrop in 2025 that not a lot of people really know about, the potential reward that they could earn from this airdrop. This airdrop could actually earn you up to $10,000 or beyond if you actually take it more serious. This airdrop is the biggest airdrop in 2025 out there for a lot of reasons, which I'm going to be explaining in this video. This airdrop is backed by Ethereum founder itself, Vitalik Buterin, and a lot of agent investors have actually invested into this airdrop, which is a big huge deal for this airdrop to actually earn you a lot of money. As you can see, we have the Dragonfly actually invested. If you actually know Dragonfly, they are one of the biggest investor in the space. And also you can see the Santiago and the Vitalik itself, which is the founder of Ethereum itself. What fascinates about this project is that it comes with a unique layer 2 blockchain infrastructure that we have never seen in the entire history of our layer 2 blockchain. Not even Arbitrum or Optimism actually have this kind of infrastructure. What's so unique about this new layer 2 blockchain MegaEth is that it can handle continuous execution of transaction process in real time within a lightning speed. And the efficient state of sync of this new network MegaEth is amazing, as it synchronizes the sequencer and the rest of the network at 10 milliseconds per block time of execution, which is huge. And as you can see from their white paper, that this network can handle up to 100,000 plus transaction per second and 10 plus gigas per second sub 10 milliseconds block of timing. And this is amazing, and you can see that it's actually settled on Ethereum. As you can see from the demo graph, that this is our traditional blockchain, and what really makes this very slow is that the sequential in the blockchain, which handles the order and the execution of the processing of the transaction, is actually overload. So it takes more time for transaction to actually go through. But when it comes to the MegaEth, as you can see, this is actually using a lot of new blockchain infrastructure. So as you can see, the MegaEth network, which is huge, as you can see, the transaction is actually going through in real time, which means that the sequential in this blockchain is not actually overload. This MegaEth layer 2 is going to make Ethereum great again with this kind of model of transaction infrastructure. The big deal about this project is that this project has actually raised up to $57.73 million from a reputable investor like the Dragonfly and also Santiago and Ethereum founder itself, which is a huge deal. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step guide on how you can actually position yourself correctly so you can be able to be eligible for this MegaEth airdrop allocation. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I recommend you guys to actually click on the subscribe button right here and make sure you turn all notification bell on so you're not going to be missing my weekly real-time crypto opportunity that I do share here on this channel that could actually change your life. So make sure you subscribe and turn notification bell on. Is very, very important. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Alright, so I've put together step by step on how to be able to position ourselves for this huge airdrop. So I'm going to be walking you through step by step, so make sure you stick around to the end of this video because you don't want to miss this big airdrop that could actually reward you big. So as you can see, I've put down all the necessary steps that we need to do so that we can be able to position ourselves for this big airdrop. So I'm going to be walking you through step one after the other so you can be able to understand it clearly. All the link to all website that I'm going to be going through in this video is down in the video description, step by step, so you can start farming this airdrop immediately after watching this video. Alright, so let's go through it. So the first step says that we should add network to the wallet, which is very simple. All you are going to be doing is to click down the link in the video description down there. So it's going to direct you right to this website here. Alright, so as you can see, now we are now on the testnet where we are going to be claiming the airdrops. So we are going to be adding the MegaEth testnet on our network, which is very important. This is the first step. So I'm going to be coming down to this that says switch to MegaEth. So make sure you connect your MetaMask or whichever network whichever wallet you are using. Just come down to this that says switch to MegaEth. So this will actually switch your network into MegaEth. Whether it's on base before, it's going to switch it. So after you click this to switch your network to MegaEth, the next step is to claim a faucet. We need a faucet Ethereum because the faucet is the one that we are going to be using to interact with a lot of platforms that this airdrop actually recommend to be able to be eligible for this airdrop. So the next step says we should claim a faucet and explore different projects, as you can see on the ecosystem. So we're going to click on this. All the link I'm clicking is down in the video description. So now it's still on the same platform. So I'm going to be scrolling down and come to this that say public faucet. So I'm going to click on it. So all you have to do here is very very simple. So you want to go to your MetaMask or your Phantom, whichever wallet you're actually using, to copy the wallet address which is in the MegaEth network. So I'm going to be clicking on it and copy that. Alright, so I've copied that. I'm going to be coming down here and paste the network. Make sure you paste it, and as you can see, you're going to click on get the test Ethereum. So as you can see, this has actually go through. As you can see, faucet request successful. So now I have the faucet Ethereum that I can use to interact with all the platform that is being recommended by this MegaEth, so that we can be able to be eligible for this airdrop. Is very, very important. So as you can see, it's successfully. So the next step say that we should do some swap on the GTE DEX, which is one of the application built on the MegaEth network. So as you can see, I'm going to be clicking on this website here, and it's going to direct you there. All the link is down in the video description. So I'm going to be clicking on this, and I'm going to be choosing Ethereum. I want to switch Ethereum to MegaEth. I'm going to be specifying the amount that I want to swap. So I'm going to be swapping a lot because this is one of the steps that we have to follow. You don't have to use all your Ethereum on one swap. You still have more interaction to do on the platform. All you have to do is just to click on swap, because that is what they recommend you to actually do. As you can see, the swap are successful. So congratulations, you just performed the first recommendation by the MegaEth airdrop for eligibility. So the next step says that we should go to a Huawei game to click on a rabbit. You see how simple is this Testnet airdrop is. We just have to go to a website and start clicking on a rabbit. So we're gonna be doing that. You're gonna click on the website. I put the link down in the video description. So now we are on our website. So we're gonna click on the rabbit game, because that is what they ask us to actually interact with. Alright, so this is the game right here. So the first thing you have to do is to make sure you connect your wallet. So as you can see, I've actually connected my own wallet. So the next step is just to make sure you check the rabbit. The rabbit is going to be moving, so you have to make sure you check and just click it, just to confirm that it's kind of confirmation that you are interacting. As you can see, I'm going to click on it. Anywhere the rabbit actually appear, that is where I'm going to be clicking on. You see how simple is this airdrop, and they are going to be rewarding you for just interacting with dApps that is being built on their ecosystem. So let's go to the next step that will actually qualify us to be eligible for this airdrop. Alright, so we finished the step 4. So the next step says that we should actually go to Teco and mint a testnet token. Is completely free. Everything is free on this website. We are not doing anything than just interacting with all these dApps built on the MegaEth ecosystem. So it's just say we should go and like mint a testnet token and deposit it or borrow it. So we're going to be doing that right now. So I'm going to click on this link. Don't forget, all the link I'm actually directing to that is down in the video description. You can click on it and it will direct you right here. So now we are down on the Teco, which they recommend. So all we are going to be doing is to make sure you connect your wallet. As you click on meet, as you can see, and confirm all transaction on your wallet. Alright, so as you can see, I've actually transaction successful. This airdrop is very simple. You just have to clicking buttons, and that's all. Alright, as you can see, I made the second token. So I'm going to come down to this again. Alright, successful. So as you can see, we have actually minted it. So the next thing is you can actually go to any or borrow against it. So also deposit. You can actually deposit mass if you actually like. So we're going to confirm the transaction and just wait for the confirmation, and boom, it's going to deposit that for you. And if you like, you can actually deposit your MegaEth also. Alright, so as you can see, we've deposited that. So we can actually deposit our TK USDC also. So I'm going to click in on it also, and let's say max, we want to deposit max. So I'm going to click in on it and confirm the transaction. Alright, as you can see, the transaction have actually successful, as you can see right here. So you can just continue depositing, and also you can also borrow as well on this platform if you want. If there is order for it, you can actually borrow them, but we don't have any TTK again. You can actually come back tomorrow or to mint more of it, or you can actually go back to the mint token and actually mint, just interacting with this platform so that you can be able to be eligible for these airdrops. So you can actually deposit, and also you can as well lend the token which you have actually minted on this platform. This is just a recommendation according to the MegaEth Testnet, so you can be able to be eligible for this airdrop. This is very, very simple, guys. Don't miss this airdrop. So the next step to follow to be able to be eligible is to come down to this step 6, which says that we should go to cap and mint the CUSDC and as test token, as you can see right here. So it's very explanatory. Just click the link down in the video description and we are going to be minting that. So now we're on the platform. So the first step you have to do is just to click on this testnet. Make sure you connect your wallet. It's very important. So you want to click on this account and claim the testnet CUSDC. Right, so as you can see, I've successfully minted the 1000 testnet USDC. So the next step said that we should go to the SL website and create a meme coin, which is very simple to do. So we are not going to be paying any dime to launch our own meme coin. So I'm going to click on the website. All right, so as you can see, we are now on the website, and if you pay close attention, you will see that Monad also uses this website. This is a very good insight to see how big this network is going to be, as you can see. So all I'm going to be doing is just to create a coin. Let me just call it API. That is the name, as you can see, name. Then the ticker, let's just say API or AP, let's call it AP, and just write a description. And you want to upload a picture, so I'm going to be doing that right now. So I'm going to be uploading the picture, so I'm going to use this and scroll down. If you have a website, you can actually put the website. All I'm going to be doing is to connect my wallet. You have to do that first. Make sure you do that. So you're going to click on MegaEth network and choose your wallet, which is the MetaMask, whichever one you're actually using. So I'm going to be clicking on continue. As you can see, we have actually created the token. API is live, as you can see. So what we're going to do next is just to click on watch it. So this will allow you to actually buy your own token. As you can see right here, you're going to click on the amounts if you want to buy. So let me say I want to buy some 0.00005 of my token. It's going to give me 13.9 AP, which is the token which I've actually created. So all I'm going to do is just to click on buy to create a liquidity for the token. I'm going to click on continue. All right, so as you can see, I've actually created a liquidity for this my new launch token. As you can see, this green candle right here simply shows that I bought the token at the initial stage. So as you can see, this is how simple you can actually launch your token on the MegaEth testnet network. So let's go back to the next step and see what we need to do more to be able to be eligible for this MegaEth biggest airdrop. So the next step says that we should go to the box and connect our wallet and just do some swap. This airdrop is kind of very simple compared to any airdrop out there. As you can see, we just click a button and just mint and interact with different dApps, take us to be eligible for this airdrop. So as you can see, we are going to be going to this website. I put the link to all websites down in the video description. So now we are now connected to the website. So all I'm going to be doing now is to go to trade. So I can just switch around and just make some simple swap. This is as simple as ABC. So don't let us waste much time on this website because it's just a common swap. So just to do some basic swap which we are used to on Testnet Airdrop. Alright, so the next steps, which are very simple right now, is to go to the noise. Noise is also a dApps built on MegaEth ecosystem. So we're going to click on the website and just go and perform the simple interaction as recommended. Alright, so as you can see, we are now on the noise dApps website. As you can see, you're going to click on the whitelist. So as you can see, we've actually connected our wallet to this website, so which means our wallet is now on their wait list. So this is just simple step that you just want to do on this, nothing else you want to do. So let's go to the next step. So as you can see, the next step says we should go to Valhalla. As you can see, we're going to click on the Valhalla website. It's just as simple as ABC, just to get on their whitelist. This airdrop really gives us more room to actually interact with many dApps, which can actually earn us a lot of airdrops. As you can see, we have actually interact with different dApps which they have airdrop on the way. So as you can see, now all we just have to do is just to actually have connected my wallet. So as you can see, I've actually signed up on their wait list. So if you haven't, you want to make sure you just follow all of this step right here. It's very simple and explanatory. All right, so as you can see, it says we should go to Rainmaker on incentive testnet and create and buy an AI. It's very simple just to create an AI. If you actually interact with this more often, you can actually earn another airdrop from this. MegaEth actually bring a huge potential for us to earn a lot of airdrop. So as you can see, because we are very early on this airdrop, so as you can see, we're gonna click on the website and go and perform the task. It's very simple to create AI and also sell. So as you can see, we are now on the Rainmaker. As you can see, so all you have to do is just to come to Rainmaker AI, because we want to create an AI, we want to sell it, or we can actually buy the one they have actually that is available on the platform. So we want to click on create AI, So it's very simple to actually create. As you can see, there's more explanatory on it, as you can see right here. So as you can see, you just have to put the image, you can upload the image and do all of these steps one after the other till when you wish to connect your wallet and actually create the AI. Is free. So this is how you can be eligible for this Rainmaker airdrop as well in the MegaEth ecosystem. So make sure you do that. So let's go to the last but not the least steps that is being recommended by MegaEth for us to be able to be eligible for this biggest MegaEth airdrop. Alright, so the last but not the least, as you can see it right here, say you should follow MegaEth on all their social platforms so we can be able to be getting updates every single day that they actually announce what steps we need to do to be able to be eligible for this allocation. So as you can see, and it says that we should submit our wallet on their Discord. It's very simple. You can actually go on their Discord and go to the section that says submit wallet and just submit the wallet that we're actually using to interact on their platform right here. As maybe scroll down right here, there are many airdrops that you can see that they are actually coming. As you can see, we have many of them that you can actually get another airdrop from. So which means that we are using one stone to actually kill many birds. You can see we are eligible for many airdrop if we actually interact with them one after the other. So as you can see, they are potential airdrop. So make sure you follow all these steps one after the other. I put the link to all the websites step by step in the video description so that you can be able to be position yourself for this airdrop. This airdrop is going to be very huge. So as you can see, this step are very simple. So just to click all these websites one after the other as step by step guide, as you can see it right here, just to click it step by step, this will actually make you to be eligible for this airdrop. And the reward of this airdrop is gonna be huge. As you can see, they have many airdrop coming on the way. Just make sure you are doing more transaction with all this platform, maybe a day or 2 weeks depending. So for you to interact more often, you have to make sure you are claiming your faucet, which is the first step. Every time you want to go into any of these websites, make sure you do the first step, which says that you should get your faucet token, which I've actually shown you how to get. So after that, you can actually start interacting with all of these dApps that will make you to be eligible for this airdrop. So we come to the end of this video, and I hope you gained a lot of value from this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more video just like this, because I usually give weekly real-time crypto opportunity that could actually change your life. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.